Today finds us at Disney's Animal Kingdom in Orlando, Florida. I'll bet I haven't been here in over 5 years, so it'll be interesting just to remember things and to see things I've never seen before and see what's changed and missing. Thanks for joining me. So I almost didn't get in. I made a reservation, but it turns out I made the reservation for tomorrow instead of today. And she told me there are no more available today, but they let me come in anyway. Probably can't see it very well. There's a little boat landing down here. And years ago, when this first opened, they used to have cruises down this river, and they would come through the boat with different animals in cages, and that didn't last very long. I don't know what they have there right now, maybe a meet and greet. But I remember being on that little boat, and then we got off by the deck and someone approached us and wanted to know if we would participate in a trial program, which ended up leading to the Fast Pass. So it was kind of cool because Fast Pass didn't exist, but we were getting in front of the line ahead of everybody else. It was we had to do some surveys then afterwards and tell them how the experience went and if we would pay for it and what the value would be. So it was neat to be part of a trial rollout program.
Yeah, we have to find that one now.
And there's the Tree of Life here at Animal Kingdom. Something going on down here. A little puppet character of some sort. Wow, is there even anything left of Dino Land? The whole thing seems covered up and a lot of machinery in there. I did no research on what's still here and what isn't, so I'm going to be finding it along with you. The meet and greets are really interesting because everything is decked out for the holidays. So that's really nice. Better see it before it closes. Dinosaur.
Like we had what?
That was fun. I'm glad I did that. It's a wild ride. I mean, I wouldn't go on that if I had a bad back. But that was a fun ride, and I'm glad I went on it because I know it's not going to be around forever. They're going to be closing it up. I don't know what the scheduled timeline is for that, but might be the last time. But other than that one ride, Dinosaur Land is pretty pathetic because there's nothing here. Soon it'll be all gone. Maybe I'll head up there. They really did a nice job with the layout here. Looks like this is the Explorer's office. Look at these old computers they have. Now we're in the gift shop, and Expedition Everest is really fun. It's a roller coaster, but it's a fun themed roller coaster, and the Yeti pops up a couple of times. It's a fun ride. And now we're coming up to Kali River Rapids. And it's only a 5-minute ride, 5-minute wait. A man just asked, what kind of ride is this? It's a water ride. Do you get wet? Yep. The queue here is really amazing. Very well done. Really attractive and well themed. And you see the river quite a bit as you're heading down the pathway. And it's under a lot of shade for those hot days. I got wet, but not massively so. The girl sitting next to me got absolutely drenched. Look at this one, hardly any people on it. You know, there used to be monkeys on that island, but I don't see them anymore. Could be I'm not seeing them. Let's walk over there. First, let's see how wet these folks are. I'm not seeing them, so maybe that's one of the things they changed. I've got one of those banners at my house. They go all the way up the tree. Well, let's go for a walk. There's some big bats up there. They're not flying, but they're hanging. Just hanging around. I hear a roar from up here. So who's roaring?
Great job, Groucho!
That bird show was fantastic. You know, I think I forgot how much I really enjoy Animal Kingdom. Thanks for joining me, everybody, from Disney's Animal Kingdom. As always, I encourage you to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you here next time on the Average Me channel.